And this is Prashant Tiwari, and welcome to the demo of my project. As you can see, this is the architecture of my pipeline. Before going to that, let me explain what I'm trying to achieve here. So really quick, there is a publicly available data on Redfin's website, which anybody can go and download. Here's the link on the paper as well. But I wanted to look at the Redfin data and evaluate how the housing market has changed pre-COVID and like post-COVID. This is my streaming pipeline. There is S3 bucket where I intend to upload the files, and I have built in a trigger so that S3 anytime the put operation happens, AWS Lambda function will get triggered. AWS Lambda function will then read the contents of file, post the message in Kafka, and then using that Kafka will push the using the Elasticsearch sync connector, it will push to Elasticsearch, and then hopefully I'll be able to generate reports in Kibana. Now, all the architecture, everything here is deployed on AWS. Kafka is running on Confluent Cloud on AWS. Elastic infrastructure is running on Elastic IO again on AWS. So everything is running on cloud. Now let's jump to the actual demonstration. I have the CLI command prepared. I will run this, and what this will do is this will push my file which is prepared currently into the cloud, and the file upload is happened. As soon as I get the confirmation, it would have triggered AWS Lambda. So let's see, the file is not there yet, and the file should appear now, PRG demo, and it should have triggered AWS Lambda. If we look into the monitor, we should see the Lambda function running. Uh, then coming to more fun part, if we go to Confluent Cloud, it shows the cluster situation and how the messages are getting produced in the Kafka topic and being consumed by the connector. So we see all the stuff happening here too. If I go to the messages, I would see the messages coming up there and writing to the cluster properly. So this is my Kafka cluster, and it shows all the throughput and everything. And going forward, so it got ingested in Elastic IO, and I have generated these reports over here using that data. So this is pre-COVID and post-COVID. This was pre-COVID, this is post-COVID, and oops, it did last 15 minutes, which is why it's um, so this is it. It is generating all the charts, and very handy for comparing and generating analysis. Thank you so much.